I send my warm greetings to the 25th General Assembly of the World Tourism Organization, gathering in the beautiful city of Samarkand. Tourism brings progress. As one of the biggest sectors in the global economy, it has great power to bridge cultures, generate new opportunities, and promote sustainable development. But tourism is also impacted by interlinked global challenges. The climate crisis is threatening many tourist destinations and the very survival of communities around the world. Many developing countries that depend on tourism are facing a growing financial crisis. We must harness the full potential of tourism to get better on track to achieving the Sustainable Development Goals. That requires investing in sustainable and inclusive tourism, adopting zero-emission pathways, protecting the environment and biodiversity, creating decent jobs, and contributing to resilient social protection systems. I know that we can count on the UN World Tourism Organization to carry this vision forward and together build a better future for people and planet. I wish you a successful General Assembly.